Hey there, headphone enthusiasts. We know how frustrating it can be when you encounter one-sided audio issues with your beloved headphones. But fret not. We've got you covered. Today, we're going to show you some simple methods to troubleshoot and fix this annoying problem. Plus, we'll share essential tips for maintaining your headphones to ensure they perform at their best. Let's dive right in. Basic troubleshooting. Disconnect and reconnect your headphones to ensure a proper connection. Next, try plugging them into different audio sources or devices to see if the issue persists. Also, test those devices with other working headphones to check if the problem lies only with your headphones. Checking the audio source. Now let's verify whether the issue is with the audio source or the headphones themselves. Test your headphones with different audio sources like smartphones, computers, or audio players. This will help you determine if the problem is specific to one device. Cable and connector inspection. One-sided audio issues are often caused by cable or connector problems. Check your headphone cable for physical damage or wear and tear. If you spot any issues, gently untangle cables or repair minor damages using electrical tape for non-detachable cables. For detachable cables, ensure a secure connection or replace them with new ones if needed. Software and driver updates. Outdated or incompatible software and drivers can also lead to one-sided audio problems. Make sure to check for software updates on your devices and install the latest versions. Similarly, update your headphone drivers, if applicable, by visiting the manufacturer's website or using their software utility for proper updates. Avoid using third-party software or updates as they might cause more harm than good. Now, let's move on to some preventive measures you can take to ensure your headphones perform optimally without any vexing issues. Proper handling and storage. First and foremost, handle your headphones with care, not only while using them, but also when they're not in use. Avoid excessive pulling or tugging of the audio cable and refrain from wearing or taking your headphones off roughly. When not in use, store them in a dry and safe place, preferably in the pouch or case provided by the manufacturer. Cable management. To prevent cable strain, avoid bending or twisting the cables excessively. Consider using cable clips or organizers to keep them tidy and prevent tangling. If your headphones have a detachable cable, remember to detach it when not in use and coil it properly without any twists or bends. Cleaning your headphones. Regularly cleaning your headphones is essential for maintaining their performance. Headphones with dirt, debris, or grease can compromise their audio quality. Avoid extreme temperatures and humidity. Protect your headphones from extreme temperatures and high humidity. Keep them away from direct sunlight, excessive heat, or moisture-prone environments, both while using and storing them. This will ensure their longevity and optimal performance. Regularly update software and firmware. Stay up to date with software and firmware updates for your audio devices, operating systems, and headphones. These updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements that can help prevent or resolve headphone audio issues. Avoid using third-party accessories. Lastly, always use accessories that come from the manufacturer, such as chargers, cables, extenders, and others. Using third-party accessories may cause damage to your headphones and result in distorted or uneven audio. And there you have it. We've explored troubleshooting methods to fix one-sided audio issues in headphones and shared preventive tips to ensure your headphones perform at their best. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more audio-related content. Thanks for joining us. Happy listening.